Taylor Academics. Verb to be. Oral practice. Introducing people. Using the verb be to introduce people. Part 1. Using the verb be with he and she. By Erica Taylor. tayloracademics.co.uk. Listen and repeat.
This is Kumiko Yoshida. She is from Tokyo. She is Japanese. Kumiko is an actress.
This is Henry Lewis. He is from London. He is English. Henry is a student at Imperial College. He is majoring in computer science.
For more exercises, visit our website and book your lessons. Visit tayloracademics.co.uk.